As friend Curzio, going to try this again, try to do Periscope through my phone, but I guess sometimes it doesn't work as well. But this is our live stream technology, which is awesome, getting a whole studio done. Actually, I'll start with that really quick. Have some fun with this because we are going to be taping podcasts, live versions of it pretty soon, and we got all of our equipment, special lights. We got more desks coming, all new equipment, which is cool. Of course, we got our lights and everything. So this whole thing, this is being built right now, so it's going to be an awesome, awesome studio. But the reason why I am talking to you right now is because the market is selling off pretty sharply here, and I wanted to talk to you guys about that because we're not used to a sell-off like this, right? So if we look at the markets here, pretty big. I mean, 3% sell-off in a Dow. Look, the Dow isn't really a representative of the market. When you have UNH, what else? Amgen and Salesforce as the three biggest members of the Dow, it's not really representative of the overall market anymore. I don't even know why they quote it after they made these changes. But if you look at the NASDAQ, the S&P, I mean, the NASDAQ, even the NASDAQ 100, we're down $600 billion in market cap. Pretty decent sell-off. And I know it's confusing because no one's used to the market selling off like this anymore. It seems like it goes up every day. But I think you're going to see this continue. One, I think this sell-off is definitely going to continue to the market as the algorithms kick in, which we're going to see right now, right? The fun part of the market. And it might continue tomorrow because everyone's going on vacation for Labor Day. But the money that's coming into the market, liquidity, and what the Fed's providing, it's going to flow into someplace. And I would look at to what areas of that flow into because we might see profit taken in technology. We should. I mean, you've seen stocks like Zoom trading at 200 times plus forward earnings. At least they show a massive growth where you're not really seeing the massive growth from Tesla. And now you're seeing that company sell off. Moderna sell off a ton. Inovio. Some of these like momentum names have been getting crushed down 30, 40% now. But that money's going to flow someplace. And I think you need to start looking at some of the plays that have underperformed. If you're looking to place money, again, people aren't looking conservative anymore, but look at the Intels. Hear me out with JP Morgan as well. Companies that pay a dividend where interest rates are low, so it's bad for JP Morgan. I know everything about Intel's 7-nanometer chip, but these are names that pay a high yield, right? We're not used to buying these. We want to buy like the big companies that are just taking off in technology, even though if we take out the top 5 for the S&P 500, the index is actually down this year. A lot of people don't know that. So, but if you're looking at names like that, again, they're out of favor, but they pay a high yield where I don't know if they'll figure out that problems in 2 years, 3 years. 5 years, I could picture these stocks a lot higher, and to earn a 3-4% yield when the 10 years trading at 0.6 is actually pretty cool. So, start looking at traditional things. Even small caps I really love here because they've underperformed. You've seen the COVID risk go lower, just dissipate more and more. The numbers getting better, not even on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. You're going to see more people going on vacation for Labor Day, and they should be than ever because everyone's cooped up in their house. They feel a lot better, and that fear is going away. Start looking at some of those names that have been terrible performers in the travel industry because as it gets better and better, as we'll open up, you'll see more people travel, more people go to casinos, more people look at cruises. You have Carnival was up earlier today. I don't know if it's up now, but news that they're going to restart their Italy stuff. If you're looking at hotels, the bookings in 2021 are huge right now if you're looking at these quarters. So the money's going to flow someplace. When you see days like this, you want to prepare. I know you guys go on vacation, have fun, don't talk politics, because you're going to hear so much of that shit later on as soon as you get back with 2 months left. But start focusing on some of these names because I'm seeing so many ideas, especially small cap world. I think the sell-off will continue, and it's healthy, right? We'll be going up too much. So let's see how it finishes today and going forward. As always, I'll be back to you guys soon. Take care.